everybody, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Lydia, and if you're one of my amazing returning subscribers, welcome back. Today I'm going to be reviewing Sand Fragrance Body Mist by Ellis Brooklyn. So if you guys want to learn more about this fragrance, go ahead and stay tuned. Hey you guys, I had been seeing these fragrance body mists on my Instagram timeline for a while, and the main one that I really wanted to purchase was the peach fragrance, which I did purchase that one as well. But then I went through looking at the notes of the other versions of the fragrance, and sand really stood out to me. And of course this was a blind buy, so I didn't really know too much what to expect from this fragrance. And I was also a little bit unsure because of the price. These fragrance mists retail for $48. So in the back of my mind, I was just like, why would I pay almost $50 for essentially a body spray? But you guys, I will say I was pleasantly surprised once I actually got my hands on this fragrance. So this is what the bottle and the box look like up close. So that is what the box and the bottle look like up close. And you guys, I honestly can say that the quality of the packaging is next level. It is very, very well made. Instead of it being a plastic bottle, this bottle is actually glass. The sprayer itself is plastic, but it is an extremely fine sprayer, and it gives you a nice, even spray all over your body. It is just amazing. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the details of this fragrance. Now this is in the warm and spicy fragrance family, and is classified as a warm and sweet gourmand type scent. The keynotes of this fragrance include coconut milk, ginger lily, and vanilla absolute. And since I've been on this vanilla kick, the vanilla note in this fragrance was the main thing that drew me to it. So let me go ahead and give it a spray and let you guys know what it smells like. You guys, this fragrance is nothing short of beautiful. As soon as you spray it, you do get a lot of the coconut notes, but it's not a super overpowering type of coconut scent. And you are also able to get a lot of those vanilla notes as well. And I feel like the ginger lily adds a little bit of a zest in there, but it's not super overpowering, and you almost don't even really notice that it's there. I feel like the coconut and the vanilla really shine throughout this fragrance. And I have had an opportunity to wear this fragrance twice, and I can honestly say that it is definitely worth the price. I won't go so far as to say that it lasts as long as like a long wear perfume or something like that, but this is not like a normal body spray. The projection of this scent is amazing, and the scent really lasts on your skin for a very long time. For me, I was able to get about 5 hours out of this fragrance before I could tell that it was starting to die down a little bit. And even though this is more of a gourmand type scent, I feel like it would work year round, and it would smell really nice on like a beach day or on a nice little fun summer vacation, mainly because of those coconut notes in here. And as I mentioned earlier, it does come with a fine mist sprayer. And when you spray this fragrance, it almost feels like you're spraying one of those continuous sprayer bottles because it's just so smooth and even. It just smells so stunning and amazing. If you're someone who loves vanilla and you love coconut notes as well, this is definitely one that you need in your fragrance collection, especially before the spring and the summer months hit, because this just smells so delicious. It's sweet and gourmand, but it's not so sweet to the point where it smells kiddish. This is definitely an adult fragrance, but at the same time it's not so mature that it kind of smells old, if that makes sense. This is just such a beautiful scent. It is stunning. I'm so happy that I took a chance and decided to purchase this one, because literally in my mind I kept going back and forth, because as I mentioned earlier, the main one that I really wanted to purchase was the peach fragrance, but I never like ordering just one fragrance if I'm placing an online order, because I kind of like to get my money's worth, or at least feel like I'm getting my money's worth. So I kept scrolling through the rest of their fragrances because there are 4 different fragrances in this body mist line. So I kept going through the notes of all of them to try to see which one I would actually want to purchase. And I am so happy that I took a chance on this one. It smells beautiful. The bottle is on the large side though, and they only come in one size, which is the 100 milliliter or the 3.38 ounce. So I love that you are able to get a lot of fragrance for the price as well. I do have a few trips coming up pretty soon though, so I might try to get like a decanter or something and try to put this in a smaller container so that I'll be able to travel with it, because this will just be the perfect travel scent. I can't wait to layer this with some of my other vanilla fragrances and see how it smells. I do believe that you are able to purchase these fragrance mists in store, so I definitely recommend going into your local Sephora and also just go and spray them, see which ones you like, which ones work with your body chemistry, and definitely try out Sand. This scent is just so stunning and I'm really in love with it. So you guys, that was my review of Sand by Ellis Brooklyn. If you guys have tried this fragrance or any other Ellis Brooklyn body sprays, let me know what you guys think about them down below in the comments section. As always, I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope to see all of you guys next time. Bye.